All right. Hello, everyone. I am back. I'm ready to rock and roll. Oh, sorry, I hit the wrong. I thought I almost ended the stream there. I'm sorry. What's up, guys? I'm back. It's good to be back. Where's the music? Different song. Different song. All right. So I found a solution or temporary solution for the headphone issue, so I can actually monitor what I'm listening to, what you guys are listening to. So I'm the DJ once again, but let's go ahead and switch over, say hello to you guys, and let's catch up. It's been a while. What's up? Hello. Good to see everyone. How you guys doing? It's been a while. When did I leave? I left on Saturday, so the last stream you saw me was Thursday. The 27th is when you guys last saw me. Yeah, so it's been a while. Good to, man, the only good thing that kind of came from me going on vacation is that, I mean, it's unfortunate for us in general, but nothing happened. You know, I at first I was checking my phone a good amount just to make sure everything was, or nothing, if I missed anything, or just at least be able to keep up with anything that was going on. But unfortunately, you know, after a certain point, nothing really happened. So I kind of just turned not my phone off, but I didn't really look at charts that much. If I had to give you a count throughout the entire time I was gone, I probably looked at a chart maybe 5-6 times. And usually when I'm active, when I'm up doing things, I'm usually on Tradingview every day. So it was nice to, kind of take a break from it all. Let me go turn on my air conditioning because it's a little hot. Hold on. I knew I forgot to do something. But yeah, it was fun. I'll show you guys some pictures. And to be honest, because of what's been going on, the lack of what's been going on, there's really not too much to talk about. I was actually on a Discord call with Kite not too long ago, and just shooting the shit with him, seeing how he was doing. But yeah, he's busy. He's doing well. Let me show you guys some pictures, some videos. Where's the beach photo? Yeah, those are all the ones I'm going to use. Done. All right, I'm just going to go ahead and... Sorry, I should have done this before I started streaming, but I didn't even think about it until now. And we're going to add 3, 6, 9, 10, 12, 14. All right, let's see. I also went for a short vacation beachside. Isn't it amazing, Prathish? It's nice being on the beach. Hope you had a good time. Clap Show, good to see you again, Johnny. Good to be back, Clap Show. Thank you so much for stopping by. It's good to see you. Let's see, Alif. Hey, Johnny, welcome back. Good, glad to be back. Let me show you guys some pictures, because I'm going to be honest. Like, I'm going to touch on some things if you guys want me to. But to be honest, nothing has seriously happened. I mean, across the board, there's been nothing that's been going on. So, I mean, maybe I picked a good week to go on vacation. There is a possibility for a larger ABC to play on KDA. I mean, this is on if I go to a 4 hour, this is pretty clear. So I think I might be adding a little bit more to my sprinkle if we do get this set up here. But I pretty much don't have any other plans. Let's see. Actually, no. This is it. I really don't have any other plans too much besides keeping an eye on KDA. Trying to think of what else. Yeah, literally nothing. Oh, XRP. I did see this. So I don't know if you guys took this XRP position. But if you did, you probably got stopped out, which is fine. But if we did have a ABC going on here. All right, so if we do get a reclaim back above that region, that is going to be a good pivot to go ahead and long. If you guys I think Alif, were you holding this position still? Let me know in chat. But if any of you guys were holding this position from the bottom, you would have taken profit and re-entered off of that pivot. So right now you should have cashed out on a decent amount. So congratulations if you guys did take profit on that. If you didn't, I mean, no worries. I would probably say that I'm not trying to say if you didn't take profit now to take profit now, but just be aware that if we are below this level, there are some possibilities that we can go ahead and test some areas of support. This 58-53 region was actually a prior resistance that is turning into a good support flip. So yeah, besides that, let's see. Why isn't my chat updating? So I have my YouTube thing up. Yeah, it took profit, re-entered, and got stopped out. Okay, good. So, but you should still be net positive. So congratulations, Leaf. Hope that was a good trade. Yeah, nothing really is going on. So I picked a really good week to go on vacation because I was actually able to take the time and enjoy. So let me give you guys a little bit more of a background or an idea of what I experienced. Take some good photos. I took some bad ones. I took some good ones. That's a good one. This was a really good photo. I don't know how I did this. I'm very proud of that one though. I'll show you guys in a second. Do I not have any more photos than this? Where's the videos? Can I not upload? Huh. I guess I can't upload videos. Share this video, go to Discord, pairing. All right, let's see. YGG token. Why do you think H bar is pumping today? I can take a look at that. Let's do YGG. Is it a crypto, Pratish? Oh wow, that's a runner. Let's see if it did have a larger ABC, so this would have been a good spot buying position. Yeah, I definitely would have been buying some spot there if I was looking at this. Damn. 300% return on that. Not bad. Pretty good, Pradesh. But because of this ABC, I mean, you gotta look at this from a resistance level. Understand where price can go ahead and test as resistance. And you just gotta take it level by level. So it looks like it cleared the 48-cent region. So the next test is about $1.03, $1.04. Okay, so that video uploaded. Huh, I thought I had more videos of the beach, but apparently I don't. So long story short, I went to, I'll show you guys because it's kind of far from me. So if you guys don't know, Sorry guys, I'm trying to do all this at the same time. Shit. So I was down at the Jersey Shore. That's not really the Jersey Shore. If I open this in browser, I'll show you guys real quick. So pretty much, this is a quick little area of like the southern part of the state. If you guys know New Jersey at all, this is the majority of where I would say a larger part of the most popular areas on the Jersey Shore, besides if you go up a little bit north. But I actually stayed on this side. So I was staying, I can't draw, but I was staying on the west side of the state here. And I was actually able to go ahead and watch the sunset and pretty much enjoy a nicer calm ocean, because if you guys know where that part of the state is, it's kind of an area to where it's more of a bay area. It's not really like the ocean. So the waves weren't as crazy. The tides are a lot more drastic when it comes to low tide and high tide. I have some cool pictures to show you guys. But yeah. So here's an example of the beach at low tide. So you can see in this area down here, this is where people were like pretty much setting up shop, sitting, and you were able to walk out a good 30, 40 feet, and the water was pretty much receding. It receded back even further. So you were able to walk on the beach in the sand and like find cool stuff that was kind of on the bottom of that part of I don't know. It was interesting. It was fun. A lot of people were fishing down here. So I know that's a cool spot to definitely fish if you're looking for, you know, not looking to get on the boat. What else did I do? Tampa, Florida. Not Tampa, Florida. Jeff Jefferson. Hey Johnny, good to see you back. Hope you had a great vacation. I did. There was a lot of sitting on the beach, a lot of listening to podcasts, videos, audiobooks. I didn't really do too much. We did stuff, and you know, I split a house with other people. We all went out to eat. We all had a good time. Went to the boardwalk and stuff for a day or two. It was good. It was fun. But you know, this was kind of one of those vacations that I wanted to take a step back, kind of relax, reflect. And I did a lot of that. There's a lot of stuff that's been going on behind the scenes in my life in the last couple months. And it just continues. I came back to some more stuff I have to deal with. So, I did a lot of kind of just reflecting, just kind of relaxing. I slept on the beach a couple times. It was fun. It was fun. Let's see. Oh, let's do H-bar. Sorry, Leaf. I forgot about that. H-bar. I'll show you guys more pictures. Let's see. You're asking why did H-bar pump? I have no idea, but it did retest this ABC. It looks like it might be forming a larger one here. It's on a 4-hour. Actually, I would classify this as the ABC here. That's what I would classify that as. Yeah. So I don't know why, but I can tell you where it's going to go, what could be happening. I haven't heard anything about H-bar, so I have no idea. Jeff Jefferson, how you doing, my friend? Yes, it was a great vacation. Johnny, were you fist bumping? No, Alif, it's not. Not everyone who goes to the Jersey Shores is walking around fist bumping the entire time. Tampa, Florida. Oh, I read that right. Contracts, how you doing, my friend? Good to see you. Yeah, I'm doing good. Rest of the photos we shared on OnlyFans. Did you do a lot of gym tan laundry? No. Decent amount of tanning. My face, I did a really good job at like covering my face with sunscreen because I hate having a burnt face. I have a really bad tan line on my legs. So pretty much like my calf down or my knee down is pretty tan, but I you know, my swim trunks weren't actual swim trunks, they're just basketball shorts. So I have a pretty nice tan line going on the on my thigh and quads. But yeah, did a decent amount of tanning. No laundry. No laundry. I did laundry when I got home. Yeah. I'm sorry, guys. I'm a little bit rusty. It's been a while. I want to show you some more pictures, though. Look at this. This could be a desktop background. If I had an actual camera and used the right filters. This was a Snapchat thing I took. But look at that. I love the way this came out. Of course, like I have to scroll to see the whole thing. But nice picture of the sun. And every night we saw the sunset, so we grabbed a chair, we just sat on the beach. There was really no one around, and we just watched the sunset every day. Some days were nicer than others. This was a not so nice day, but the way the clouds looked in the sky, it was really cool. So, Tuesday. What else? What other pictures did I take? I'll show you guys this video. I think this is the video from the same. So I showed you guys the pictures of the low tides. Now watch this when I. So look how high the water was on high tide. So you probably had about like 6 feet, 7 feet of room between, actually just probably like 10, 12 feet between the water and the edge of the beach, versus low tide, you had like 40 plus feet to walk around in. You see the sun peeking over there? It was fun. It was a good time. Very, very chillaxed. And every once in a while, it's nice to go out and party and do that stuff, but I'm more of a chillax kind of guy. This is pretty cool. I used a weird filter on this, but this is like the shopping mall in Cape May area. The water's not actually green, it's blue, but I used the filter. It looked really cool. I didn't take too many pictures. I just took a couple, mostly of the beach. We went to a lot of restaurants, ate a lot. I'm not a big seafood guy. I do not like shellfish, crab, lobster, and everyone gives me shit for it. So I had a lot of things that weren't on the actual preferred menu on a lot of places. A lot of burgers, a lot of other stuff that I couldn't really, or had slim pickings of. But it was fun. It was fun. Did you take Monk with you and leave him there? No, Monk did not join us, unfortunately. I did talk to Kite, and we want to, me and him. Well, it would be nice for all of us to like get together and like rent a house and go on like that kind of vacation. So probably next summer, maybe me, Kite, will do streams on the beach. No, I'm kidding. We won't do that. Did you take a walk with mini swimming trunks on the sand? No, I did not. I did not contract. Good times, good times, good times. Did you see Aquaman? I did not see Aquaman. Aquaman is a lot better places to be than the Delaware Bay Area. Let's see. Can you show some XRP? Yeah. I did go over this before, but I was not paying attention to this at the time. I would have informed you guys. I didn't take this position, but you had a nice ABC bullish position off of a continuation setup, off of this setup here. So let me clear this up. So if you guys did take this position, I know some people have. This would have been a good area to actually hold on to, ride the wave, and I would have taken profit there. What kind of R&R was that? Let's see. What was that R&R? Oh, that's probably at least... That's probably close to a 14. Yep, 15. So that's a nice risk-reward ratio trade. And then now, what you would have done, you would have taken this position again, gotten stopped out. Oh, wait. Oh, that's why it moved. Okay. We would have taken this position, gotten stopped out, and then you're looking to re-enter, and you're looking to take another ride to the upside. So, worst case scenario, if we do come back down or continue to drop, you at least be able to cash out on that XRP position. But yeah, looking decent. It's looking decent. I don't have any other ideas for XRP. Besides the fact that maybe, I mean... It did hit that one-to-one pocket area. Yes, you already looked at the macro ABC. Is that the probability? Yeah, that's probably, I mean, as long as you don't cross black below 58.53, because this is implementing a larger ABC. I probably wouldn't short this. Just because it's such a large gap between the A and the C. To me, I would probably think this is more of like a retest. Maybe get one more, something like that, and then possibly higher. That's what I'm possibly thinking, but I'm not entirely too sure. If this does continue to drop, maybe if it forms some sort of bearish ABC somewhere in this range between the actual entry point and lower, maybe I'll take one. But I don't see a reason to short this right now. This is a long position only. Yes, thank you. No problem, my friend. No problem. Sorry, it's just kind of... Yeah, I don't blame Kite. When I was talking to Kite, he was like, there's no reason to stream. I'm like, yeah, you're absolutely right. And I don't blame him for taking like a month off. He's been absolutely killing it on DoorDash. I'm not going to say exactly how much he's making, but he's putting in like 70-ish hours a week, and he's making like close to $20 an hour. So he is absolutely killing it. He told me what he made last month, which is phenomenal. Unfortunately, it's not like that where I live. If it was, I would definitely be taking advantage of that and being a little bit more proactive in door dashing. But at the moment, I just don't. It's just not like that. So I'll have to wait and see. Maybe if I can get a chance to reset my acceptance rate. Kite knows more about it than I do. But yeah. Johnny, are you one of the cast on the... I'm not Italian enough, Alif. All right, I'm not Italian enough. Trust me. You should see some of the people who live down there. All right, it's pretty typical. That's all I'm gonna say. I did not fit in with that crowd. But good one. That's a good one. $30 minutes. Is there anything you guys want me to do? Talk about? What's new with you guys? Catch me up. Down at the now it's getting cold in here. I hate having such a powerful AC. Hold on. All right. So yeah, summer's starting to wind down. I'm gonna be honest. I'm kind of happy for it. Kind of glad that summer's ending. I do not like the summer. I mean, I don't hate it, but I hate the summer and the winter. I like the in-between seasons, fall and spring. That's like my favorite time of the year. So now that August is around, probably by the end of this month, actually no, I would say by the middle to the end of September is when we're gonna start seeing better temperatures. Johnny, what do you think about opening up a channel on Discord for DeFi projects? I'm in a couple and don't mind sharing some that that are good. Yeah, I'll consider it if you guys want to do that. Yeah, I'll have to figure out where I'm gonna put it though. I'll make a separate room if you guys want that. Why the big dump? What big dump? What what big dump? Did I miss something? BTC, I mean. So for BTC, we're kind of just been doing nothing over the past. When did I leave? I always forget when I left. I left the 29th. Ever since I left, we had like a little dump and a pump, but just kind of stopping people out. If you're talking about like the longer term, I'm still on the fence, or I'm still on the side that I think we're probably going to dump further. I just don't see this being too. I just don't see this being too bullish. Now I could be wrong on that, and I'll absolutely fall on that sword if I'm wrong. I'm not being a perma bear over here. But if you give me a good reason to be bullish, I will be bullish. But at the moment, I just don't have that reason. We have a larger ABC. We're pretty much hovering around below the bearish pivot, so the momentum is still to the downside. But price is just taking its time with this. So if anything, I'll call it, maybe I can break this down. Oh, that's a terrible. Let me break this down a little bit. So we maybe have an ABC to an A going. Perhaps maybe an ABC for a B. And then continuation further. If we do get a larger ABC here, it's still not big enough for me to consider taking a continuation setup off of. So I just don't. I'm not the biggest fan of that. But yeah, ideally that's what I'm looking for. Maybe one more pump to the high, break that, or form that larger ABC before testing lower. We could be in a situation where we just could consolidate, and just fall off a cliff. That'll be nice. Everything else has SEC black mark on it, apart from BTC. It should, well, explode because of the fact that it's the only legal crypto in the US. Yeah. Considering just that, BTC should be at 50K. I think that's a legitimate reason. I just don't think we're there yet. I just don't think. You also got to understand that BTC moves in correlation with other markets. It's not exactly the same correlation, but you also got to think if the S&P 500 it's going to continue to do well, BTC will continue to do well. If it starts to fall, BTC will continue to fall. No matter what the news is, the DXY also is inversely correlated, so the DXY keeps pumping, assets are going to keep dumping, regardless of news, unless it's something serious. I I just don't see the reason why we should be going up towards, you know, 48, 50K. But that's just me. I could be wrong. I could be wrong on that. But long term, Maru, you definitely have the right reasons to be bullish. Absolutely have the right reasons. Probably is moving with the traditional market. Yeah, it tends to do that. Do you check AXS? Absolutely. All right, so for this, it looks like we did come down to retest the bullish pivot of the A. So maybe, I'm not too, don't quote me exactly on this yet, but it looks like if we continue, if we can hold this region, this looks like a possible A to a B to a C scenario. Now that we have a significant pivot, or sorry, significant separation in the trend, I'm going to be a little bit more inclined to look at this as a bearish idea against a bullish one. So if we do continue to pump, I'm looking for another high before I can consider an actual short position. But if we just fall through the cracks, if we keep going down, this looks like this wants to possibly turn into a larger ABC down here. All right, and this is going to be part of a larger ABC that's part of a larger C. I can break that down real quick. Is this the right pivot? Yeah, that's the right pivot. So now we have this A to a B to a C scenario. All right, and then within that ABC, or sorry, within this larger C wave, this is looking to be part of a larger A to a B to a possible C. Or if you wanted to go with the idea that maybe this is the larger A, I would be okay with that too. This could all be one larger A. We're looking at a larger B to a larger C. Actually, the more I see this, the more I'm actually going to be on that side of things. If anything, we can get maybe one more high, but we don't have to. If we fall through the cracks and we just keep dumping, this is going to be part of a larger A to a B to a C. All right, that's going to be part of a larger C wave. So that's ideally what I'm going to be looking for this coin. Not financial advice, but it could be either or. So just keep an eye on what happens in the next week or so. I would say the next couple weeks. See what happens. If we fall through the cracks, like I said, we're probably going to go ahead and test that previous low. If not, look for one more higher high. If price does not significantly pump past that region, and we just get some sort of false break and then a reversal, that is going to be a larger potential A to a B to a C that can still be in play. So just keep an eye on that. Something like this. That would be a good setup for this. So just, you know, just throwing ideas out there, see if it sticks. I looked at 88 in a while. How's BCH doing? Is it a 3-hour chart? BCH is actually playing out in a pretty interesting way. I would say for BCH, two different scenarios. We have an A to a B to a C, which is possibly a larger A to a B to a C that's playing. I accidentally double clicked. You get something like that. If we get something like that, I will consider taking it. I'm not a big fan of playing BCH, but that's an idea. Another possible idea is that maybe this is actually part of a larger ABC potential reversal point. Now, I'm not saying that this is going to be the bottom. It can go down even further. But in a way, we're looking for a larger pivot to be tested. And I think that larger pivot up here is going to be very substantial. So. Man, literally nothing has been going on, guys. Very unfortunate. All right, guys. Let's do Wordle. I'm gonna be real. I still have to unpack from today. I just got home I got home maybe like 2 hours ago, 2 or 3 hours ago. So I had to settle in, get all my stuff unpacked, shower because it's a decent drive. Yeah. So I promise we'll be back in the swing of things. I just wanted to check in, say hello, let you guys know that I'm back. I have a lot of stuff that I do plan on doing. So be ready. Okay. One of the things that I will say this. One of the things I did ponder on and kind of reflect on while I was sitting there on the beach was the state of not just the market and how things are going, but also the YouTube channel. What I want to do with this, what I want to do with YouTube in general. I have a lot of different ideas. I have a lot of different things I want to work on. I'm very excited. I am going to be building like a little small studio setup Not here, but somewhere else that I can film more. And I do want to start making more pre-recorded content. So I'm building together like a list of things that I need. I did that over the weekend or over the vacation, and I'm looking forward to. If you guys don't know, we haven't posted in a while, and partially that's my fault because I do have a lot of things I want to talk about. But at the same time, things have been coming up just in my personal life. I'm not trying to make excuses. It's still on my mind. It's still in the back burner. Shit, I don't have. All right, so if you guys want to check out this channel, Beyond the Wicks is a channel that myself and Kite have been working on. And I did talk to him briefly about it, and he actually tried making a video recently, but I don't know exactly what it was about. Maybe it was just a market update or something like that. But yeah, but I do plan on doing this over, or at least adding more to this channel. That's one of the things that's on my list. I do want to start making more pre-recorded content, so be on the lookout for that. We're not doing that bad on subscribers. I think we're like 176. So link, yeah, I'll post a link in the YouTube channel right now. So if you guys want to check that out, I just posted a link in the chat. But yeah, go ahead and check this video out, or check out these videos in general. I forgot I kept adding memes of Kite. Yeah, definitely I would appreciate if you guys would support that channel. I promise it's probably gonna still be a little while till I get everything all set up. But give me like a month or two and I'm gonna start cranking out more videos. I'm gonna be very excited for it. So yeah, that's one of the things I want to do. That's on my list. All right, let's play some Wordle. You guys know me. I promise I'll put up the smaller time frame as we're doing this. I haven't played this game in a very long time. Donut. Okay. There's an O. I just want to get the vowels out of the way. Wow. Okay. Huh. How long till we start going up again? Before or after the halving? So Clap Show, are you talking new all-time highs? Or are you talking just more upside in general? If you're talking new all-time highs, probably not until late 2024 to early 2025. I could be wrong, but I just don't see price putting in 70K before the halving. It's usually about 3 to 6 months after the halving, which is going to be around April, May of next year. So probably the summer, if not. Okay, so let's say late 2024, possibly 2025, that we can start putting in either new all-time highs or getting close to it, if that makes sense. But if anything, we need to retest supports first. You know, just like the previous bull market, we retested supports and then eventually started making new swing to the upside. Focus, that's a good one. Umit. Wow, this is an interesting one. What a curveball. That was a great guess, though. I gotta answer this text message, so I'll give you guys some time to think of answers if you guys want to participate. Let me know if you guys come up with anything. I'm trying my best to. I have a couple ideas, but I don't want to use double letters. We might have to use double letters. I really don't want to. I was thinking hobby. All right, so the Y is not in the. That's weird. So okay. That takes out a lot of different options. That takes out a lot of different options. The Y is not in the. The Y is not in the fucking last spot. That takes away a lot of options. What do you guys think? I really don't know. Does anything start with it? Why yellow? Yellow. I'm stupid. Y-O. I'm stupid. Something that doesn't have. Poppy? But the Y is not at the end though. From League game? Oh yeah, I know what you're talking about. I used to play League years ago. It's a tough one. I know it's not, because he brought up Poppy. That makes me think Polly. Let's see. Okay, so P-O-L-Y. What the hell ends with? Yeah. Polyp? Is that a word? Anybody have any other ideas? I have no clue. Home Prime, Yox. That's a great guess, but it's got a P-O-L. Polyp. I don't know what this word is. It's got to be. What the hell is polyp? Are benign growths, non-cancerous tumors, and neoplasms vulnerable? I have never seen this before. I just learned something new. Great guesses, guys. Great guesses. All right, so we're approaching that hour mark, guys. So Wordle getting nerdy. Yeah, that was a tough one. That was a tough one. Yeah, I've never heard of that. But yeah. So I'm gonna be back on schedule. If things ever change, guys, I promise I'll let you know. Like I said, I do want to focus on more longer or like actual pre-recorded content, doing other stuff. So it's gonna require more time to do so. If I do, when I do get to that point, I'm not there yet. Like I said, I still have to go get the materials, get the stuff I need to build. I might even I might even build myself another PC, because I do want a second computer as a backup, and that'd be and where the setup is gonna go. I think it'd be cool to be down there regardless, to kind of just do other things, a little bit more space than here. So, yeah. All right, guys. Without further ado, a little weird because it's quiet. Without further ado, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and call it a stream. I will be back Tuesday. All right, so hopefully something happens this week, but I'm not too eager. I'm not too, how do I say this? I'm not too fixated on the idea that the market's gonna move anytime soon. If it does, fantastic. If not, these streams are gonna get kind of boring. So I'll be back Tuesday. I'm gonna be a little bit earlier just because I got home late and stuff, and I had to kind of settle down and get everything set up again. So yeah, Tuesday around like 1:30ish, somewhere in there. That's the one I'm aiming for. So until then, I'm gonna say goodbye. Let's say goodbye to everyone. You Mitt, Clap Show, Home Prime. Thank you for contributing, my friend. I really appreciate it. Clap Show. I think I said Clap Show already, but if I did, it's okay. We say it twice. Aru. Leaf, Contracts, Berthish, Jeff Jefferson, if you're still here. If I missed anyone here, I'm sorry. Thank you so much for tuning in. Josh V, there you are. How you doing, my friend? Good to see you. But guys, thanks again. Like the video, comment, subscribe if you haven't. I'm sure you guys already subscribed though. Really do appreciate it. Until next time. I'm just gonna do. I don't feel like setting up and doing a thing, so I'm just gonna do the thing right here. Lebohang. That's your name. How you doing, my friend? I forgot you. Did I forget you? Did you contribute to the chat? I don't see that you did, but if you did, I'm sorry. If you didn't, if you're just stopping by, hello. Unfortunately, this is also goodbye for now. Feel free to come back to the streams at another time, but let's do it.